Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Ideal Lab Genius. In today's session, we're taking Excel Chapter 2 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and my email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. In cell G6, create a formula to subtract the value in cell E5 from cell F5. Click on cell G6, F5, subtract from E5, and then press enter. It will be show value and function G5 to range. Copy the function this to G11. Okay, question is completely done. Now question number 2 is that in cell H5 create a formula dividing the value in cell F5 with cell F12 using relative cell references. Click on cell H5. Okay, then we will have to enter formula in cell H5. Click on cell H5 is equal to is equal to F12 F5 divided by F12 and then press enter. Okay, dollar sign and then press enter. It will be show value. Copy the function H6 to H11. Copy this formula. Copy this function H12 to H6 to H11. Correct the formula and H5 to making F12. Absolute reference. Copy formula to range H6 to H11. Okay, and then copy this formula H6 to H11. Okay, it's done now. You can see your question is completely done. Next question is that in cell I5 enter a formula. Click on cell I5, enter a formula. Total admission fees collected for 2027. Ultimate spring job fair using a mixed cell reference for cell B14. Okay, next question is that in cell B16 enter a formula, enter a function to calculate the total attendance for the year 2023. Okay, in cell I5, click on cell I5, enter a formula F5 I5 and F5 multiplying by B14 and then it will be shown value and press enter. Copy the formula I6 to I11. You can see I done this. Question is completely done. Next question is that in cell B16 enter a formula. Click on cell B16 and then we will have to enter a formula. Scroll down and then click on cell B16. Click on cell B16 is equal to count function, enter a formula and then B12 to F12, then press enter. It will be show value in cell B16, enter formula. Okay, total in the range. Question is done. In cell B20 enter a formula, enter a function to calculate the average attendance. Okay, in cell B20 enter a function to calculate the average attendance. Is equal to sum function into B12 to F12, then press enter. It will be show total attendance. Okay, question is completed. Next question is that in cell B20 enter a function to calculate the average attendance for all the locate for year 2027. Click on cell F20. Click on cell B20. In B cell B20, average function is equal to average function okay, in cell B20 enter a function. Okay, question is done now. Next question is that in cell B21 insert a function to calculate the median attendance for the years 2027. Click on cell B21, insert a function. This median function is equal to median function, and then here is year 2027 is range this column press enter, it will be shown value. It's done now. Okay, then in cell B22 enter a function to calculate the minimum attendance for years 2027. Click on cell B22. Okay, is equal to press min function, minimum function is equal to minimum function that into years 2027 column. Click on this range F5 to F12, then press enter, it will be F5 to F11, F5 to F11, then press enter, it will show value, and now is equal to maximum function, max function in cell B23, and then F5 to F11, and then press enter. Okay, in cell B17 is equal to count function. You can put this count function and then F5 to F11 and then press enter, it will be shown value is here. Okay, I have done 8 questions of this simulation exam. For remaining question or you want to default complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact me easily through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.